haven't been uploading that frequently, but like, you know, with school and I just don't know what to upload. So I'm going to be uploading doorbell tutorials. Now our first doorbell tutorial will be SAO opening one crossing fields. So first, you're going to want to build, whether you want it, 3 blocks up using a block of your choice. Make sure there's room because it's going to be a staircase. Other side, you have an iron door here. You have your window here, your button here to play the music. You've got your 3-block window and your button. If I want to open the iron door, only a lever from the inside. So now let's actually get started. Now, middle actually loop this around like that. Then you're going to want to place a repeater here so it signals into a no block. Now if you don't know what any of this no block stuff is and you just want to have the tune as a doorbell, as soon as you place a no block, that'll be 0. So then say I say 23, you'll be tapping that 23 times. Now a little tip, have like go-to methods. Because if mine is from 0 to 5, I will count it. If mine's from 6 to 14, I go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 5 is a pinkish color. 6 is red. The next color is yellow. So 6 is a good go-to. And also another one is 14. It's the only dark blue. Also, the one is 22. It's the first that's light green. So there we go. Now, also with redstone repeaters, as soon as you place it, that's a 1 tick. There's no such thing as 0 ticks. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1 to 4. Now, our first no block will be 23. Three ticks. 1, 2, 3. 13. 2 ticks. 15. 3 ticks. 19. 15. 13. A piece of redstone dust. And 8. 8. And then 4 ticks. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. And we do that because one redstone repeater can hold 6 ticks, which is kind of like a added up. If you want, you can make it go longer, but I really make it one. So that's actually good. To the next 23. 3 ticks. 22. 'So when you can just break the block down to the so it's 20 and then 19. A piece of redstone dust. 3. 4 ticks. A block of your choice, which should be the block you've got there. It's just easier. And you're going to be turning right or left, depending which way you want your house to go. I'm going to be turning left since I have a wall here. So 2 ticks, 2 ticks. And then now you've got 23. 2021. Now turn right and place down 4 ticks. Now 19. Tick. 21. 1 tick. 23. 19. redstone dust. 4. 4 ticks. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. 15. 2 ticks. 3 ticks. 16. 2 ticks. 6 ticks. 6 ticks. Turn. 1 tick. 1 tick. Turn. 2 ticks. No, 2 ticks. 15. 3 ticks. 13. 2 ticks. 7. 2 ticks. 15. 2 ticks. 23. 1 tick. 15. 1 tick. 20. 1 tick. 23. 23. 15. Redstone dust. 4. Turn. 1 tick. 1 tick. 4. Turn. 2 ticks. 4. 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 2 ticks. Now here you should have 8 fours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 along here. See, look, this is 4 all the way to the 4 down here. That's 8. So make sure you have that. Otherwise it'll sound a bit weird. Now where were we? $22. 6. God, sorry about that. 2 ticks. 6. Turn 1 tick, 6. Sorry about that. 2 ticks, 6. So there should be 3 6s, excluding the 3 1. So 3 1 6 is like a single. Now 2 ticks, 18. 2 ticks, 6. 2 ticks, 6. 2 ticks, 6. Over here there should be 3 6s, the same as over there. Now 20. 20. 15. Redstone dust. 8. 8. 2 ticks. 3. Turn. 1 tick, 1 tick. 8. 2 ticks. 13. 12. Sorry about that. 2 ticks. 8. 2 ticks. 3. 2 ticks. Now we're nearly done. 20. 20. 15. A piece of redstone dust. 8. 8. 3 ticks. 20. 20. 15. Piece of redstone dust. 8. 8. 2 ticks. 20. 20. 15. Turn whether 1 redstone dust or 2. Either one, because we are finished with this last note here. 8. 8. And we're finished. Your Sword Art Online Crossing Fields doorbell is now finished. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.